Good morning, everybody. It's Kevin Owen, and I'm here in California at Rudy's office. He is being very kind enough to have us all here this morning to give us a little bit of a sneak peek of how he runs his business and how he can better serve his clients. So when I go back to Montreal, of course, I'm going to be able to use some of the techniques in which Rudy has put into place to better serve his clients. Now for me, I got into business of real estate to make sure that my clients and people that were buying or selling could be properly represented. So of course, I'm taking time now to come down to California to learn more techniques and to better myself to improve the quality that I can give back to my clients in Montreal. But again, without Rudy and other people like him being able to share their knowledge and how they do business, I could never improve. So I want to say thank you to Rudy, and if you have anybody in California here that you need as a referral going from Montreal, Quebec over to California, Rudy would be the man I would refer you over to. So again, thank you very much, and I look forward to talking with everybody back in Montreal.